In a category where function often overshadows form, the Tineco S9 Artist Pro stands out by delivering exceptional cleaning power in a beautifully modern design. This isn't just a floor washer, it's a statement piece that reimagines what home appliances can be. With intelligent features, powerful performance, and an artful aesthetic, it transforms routine cleaning into a more refined experience. Special thanks to Tineco for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in the S9 Artist Pro, you'll find the link in the video description. With a powerful 6250 mAh soft pack battery, the S9 Artist Pro offers up to 75 minutes of continuous use, more than double the runtime of most competitors. That's enough to clean up to 5,400 square feet in one go without recharging. Tineco even claims that with average use, you may only need to charge it every 3 days. A large 880 milliliter water tank also ensures you can clean more without constant refilling. Equipped with 22,000 pascals of suction power, the S9 Artist Pro tackles everything from kitchen spills to bathroom buildup with ease. It can even pick up heavy items like steel balls and fine particles like smoke, showing off its power across a range of surfaces and mess types. Hair jams are a thing of the past thanks to Tineco's Zero Hair Tangle mechanism, a dual-layer scraper system including a shark tooth floating brush and a flat lifting brush prevents both short and long hairs from clogging the system. Even wet, stringy clumps are dealt with efficiently, saving time and extending the machine's life. To eliminate drying streaks, the S9 Artist Pro uses flexible scraper edges that work on the front, middle, and rear of the brush head. The front fins adapt to the floor, the middle section suctions water instantly, and the rear reverses to roll back residual water. This design leaves your floors truly clean and dry, no matter which direction you're moving. Inspired by supercar aesthetics, the S9 Artist Pro is available in sleek colors like gray, purple, and blue. A built-in T-Watch smart screen lets you switch between cleaning modes like a smartwatch, while a 360 AI gyroscope senses wrist movement for smooth, responsive control. Using it feels more like playing a mobile game than doing chores. At just 12.85 centimeters tall, with a full fold flat design, this unit easily reaches under couches and beds. Its low-profile body slides effortlessly through tight spaces, offering an edge over bulkier competitors in furniture-heavy homes. The soft pack battery supports double-speed charging, fully juicing up in about the time it takes to eat a meal. Tineco also claims triple the lifespan compared to standard lithium-ion batteries, offering excellent long-term value. Post-cleaning maintenance is simple thanks to a full-cycle self-cleaning system. After use, the device runs a 2-minute hot water flush, followed by 5 minutes of hot air drying. This kills germs, prevents odor buildup, and keeps the unit ready for next time. The Tineco S9 Artist Pro isn't just functional, it's transformative. It blends power, intelligence, and design in a way that redefines what a floor washer can be. Whether you want elegance, efficiency, or both, this unit delivers an experience that feels as premium as it looks.